Maaga akong natutong mangutang. Meron kang credit card na Philip sa tindahan, hihiram kang pagkain mo, lahat inuutang, bahay inuutang. But again, yun yung naging root cause kung bakit ako nag-aral mabuti.
Okay.
Tapos yun, sabi ko magbi-business ako para pagdating sa panahon, yung mga anak ko, hindi na ako mangungutang. Bata pa lang ako,
Oo.
nagtitinda na kami. Kasi nga
Yes,
nanay
yes.
ko, hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral. So,
Oo.
tatay ko rin hindi. So,
Mm.
sabi ko, yung pangarap nila, ako ang gagawa.
Hello, Dubai! Good morning! Today, kakaiba tayo kasi we are walking indoors, which is good. Today's weather is really can be extreme kasi nasa July na tayo. And this morning, we will be talking with someone who's very encouraging when it comes to her journey. Nakilala ko siya a year ago or more than a year ago in an event. And I'm always fascinated by the product line that she's bringing here in the UAE. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga. Kaya naman, join me in welcoming my good friend, Marilu! Marilu Lorenzo Hawthorne. Ray.
Yes.
Morning.
Good morning. A blessed Sunday morning.
Blessed
Ayun,
Sunday
yes,
morning.
Sunday. I always get a blessed Sunday because
Yes.
everything is a blessing talaga.
Ang galing.
So, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Casa Filipina. Welcome to Garden Concept.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shall we walk?
Yes, please.
Right. So, where are we going now? Where are we heading?
So, yeah, makikita nyo, we're heading to the Casa Filipina showroom. the
Casa
home.
Filipina. Sige
Yes,
nga, since
the-
you mentioned about Casa Filipina na maybe you can give us a bit of introduction about sino ba si Marilu?
Okay, si Marilu ay taga Novaliches. Laking mahirap, anak ng security guard at nagtitinda ng halo-halo at barbecue noon.
Oh, okay.
As a breadwinner, apat kayo magkakapatid. By the grace of God, ako yung nakatapos ng college. Maraming paghihirap, but proud ako maging mahirap. Paycheck to paycheck. Alam mo yung mga security guard ng tatay ko, every 15 days nagsasalary.
Yeah.
Maaga akong natutong mangutang.
Okay.
Which is hindi naman kami nahihiya.
Yes.
Utang kasi syempre, meron kang credit card na Philip sa tindahan, hihiram kang pagkain mo, lahat inuutang, bahay inuutang. But again, yun yung naging root cause kung bakit ako nag-aral mabuti.
Okay.
Tapos yun, sabi ko magbi-business ako para pagdating sa panahon, yung mga anak ko, hindi na ako mangungutang. Yun yung pinaka naging root cause.
So talagang goal mo is magkaroon ng negosyo?
Yes, magkaroon ng negosyo, maging entrepreneur, kasi bata pa lang ako. Nagtitinda na kami. Kasi nga nanay ko, hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral. So, tatay ko rin hindi. Sabi ko, yung pangarap nila, ako ang gagawa.
Maaga kang namulat.
Yes,
sa
7
realidad
years
ng buhay.
old.
7?
Nagbebenta. Kasi nga, nagbenta siya halo-halo barbecue. So, every summer, hindi ako nag-kinder. Every summer, nagtitinda rin ako ng turon, ng sa malamig pag sa basketball court, di ba? May liga.
Yes.
Tapos yun, yung 500, malaking bagay na yun every
Malaki
month.
yun noon,
Yes. So, pambili ng school supplies hanggang sa every summer talaga, nagtatrabaho habang nag-aaral. And at the same time, by the grace of God, scholar ng bayan, PUP.
PUP.
Then, with the grace of God again, yon with flying colors, ang daming mga offers. So,
maaga ka
hindi
palang
nahirapan.
nahubog
Yes.
sa pagtatrabaho. And with the aim na makatulong siya ka sa pamilya.
Pamilya.
I
Siya
see.
talagang honor your parents, diba?
Diba?
So, to
Yes.
have a better life along with life, yun talaga.
So, ang pangarap mo, magnegosyo. Pero nung pumunta ka sa Dubai, paano ka nagsimula?
At as visit visa.
Visit
Kasi
visa. Yes.
lumalaki yung expenses. Walang nangungupahan kami dati. Ang goal ko magkaroon ng fully paid na bahay. So, nagkaroon ng bahay through pag-ibig. Tapos, malaki na expenses. Yung mga kapatid ko, wala nga rin trabaho. So, ako talaga yung nagpunta. Para sa pamilya talaga.
Okay.
Single. That was 2005 November.
Nauna ka na isang taon sa akin.
Yes.
2005. Alright.
So, I'm now with 21
And
years.
ang target mong trabaho that time is what?
Sales talaga ako. I graduated sales at the same time marketing.
Okay.
So, in less than 3 weeks, so November 18 ako dumating. So, December 5, I got an offer to a high-end furniture showroom.
Oh,
I
okay.
spent 19
Furniture
years.
showroom.
Furniture showroom, So, doon tayo.
Okay.
I spent 19 years, 19.
Yes.
Maraming
So,
nag-fire.
all throughout is isang
Yes.
employer lang.
Faithfulness, loyalty. Saka siguro, bakit? Kasi yung products na binibenta ko, it's a European brand but made in the Philippines. So,
okay.
doon nakuha. So, I'm grateful with my company.
Mm.
Kasi doon ko nakuha lahat na, gawa pala to sa Pilipinas.
Yes. So, attachment na kagad.
Yes. I'm doing everything from A to Z. Shipments, dealing with suppliers.
Yes.
Hindi lang ako pumunta sa ibang bansa. But I deal with clients, with high-end clients and hospitality.
I see.
Yun na yung talagang naging
So, 19 years.
Yes.
All throughout the 19 years, nabubuo na ba yung idea na I want to do my own business?
Yes, pero sabi ko when I reach 45.
Oh, okay.
Pero,
may ano ka ha? May target.
may target talaga ako. At 45 dapat I have my own business na.
Oo.
So, nag-start din ng something, pero nag-failed many times.
Yes.
Pero sabi ko, sige lang, kasi hindi naman ako full-time.
And what was that business na
Before?
nag-failed? Yeah.
Alam mo yung parang silent investor. So, magbibigay ka ng pera, but pag hindi ka kasi hands-on, so may mga may mga nauso yung networking, yung mga types
diba?
natin.
Ay, madalas yun,
diba? So, nagtinda-tinda rin ako ng mga siopaw, mga ganon. So, okay naman, nakakatulong, pero hindi ka kasi full-time So, hindi yun talaga yung craft mo. So, yun.
I see. So, paano nabuo yung DMJ? Concept
Okay,
Casa
DMJ,
Filipinas.
yung Casa Filipinas. So, nung last July 2024, nagsara yung showroom.
Oh, okay.
So, marami akong kliyente. Marido, kaya kami nandiyan dahil sa'yo. Yun yung na-build ko naman sa mga kliyente ko. So, sabi ko, why not to create na lang na mag-showroom na
lang. So, nagsara, so hindi mo pala totally umalis?
Hindi, umalis din ako kasi wala nang showroom. So, meron pa rin naman yung company. Kaya lang, syempre, nag-restructure, hindi na rin okay yung pay. Modesty aside, I'm really having a great pay. As in talaga yung monthly ko na talagang parang pang-European, sabi nila ang sahod. I'm really grateful and blessed doon. So, kaya naman, sabi ko, okay, magiging entrepreneur ako, sige, kasi hawak ko oras ko, pwede kong gawin to lahat. So, ibig sabihin, malakas yung talagang loob ko na mag-start into something. Saka, magka-college na kasi yung mga anak ko. So, kaya sabi ko, pag empleyado ka, hindi mo ko talaga kasi kagad ngayon, limited ka hindi ka pwedeng although maganda yung sahod, pero pag ikaw entrepreneur, kaya mong, you work hard and then you will earn the fruits.
That was your expectation before you jump into entrepreneurship?
Yes, kasi dati na naman talaga ako nagbebenta. So, ngayon, sabi ko, binibenta ko, gawang Pilipino.
So, how was the journey? Paano nagsimula? Eventually, sinimulan mo na yung business?
Mahirap.
Can you take us back? Sige.
Yes. Kasi I got my gratuity, medyo 19 years, medyo malaki yun. Pero 1.5 years, pag entrepreneur ka, wala ka namang sahod.
No?
So, alam mo yung...
You don't pay yourself. Yes.
Wala akong sahod for 1.5 years. At the same time, 24/7 ka. Kasi ikaw lahat. Ikaw ang accountant, ikaw ang customer service. Lahat. Pero dahil nga rooted ako from kung ano ako dati. So, bata pala, I joined different activities. So, ako yung tinatawag nilang babaeng walang pahinga. Kuratsa.
Okay.
Kasi nga, I'm wearing different hats before. Love ko na talagang maggawin lahat.
At hindi ka napapagod?
Hindi ako napapagod. Kasi yun yung purpose ko. Pag nagpahinga ako, yun din ako napapagod. Alam mo yun? Siguro, passion talaga. Passion at the same time with purpose. You're helping others. You're helping your family. Pag family naman mo, of course, si God. The grace of God sa lahat ng tulong niya. Yun.
So ano yung mga naging, let's say, birthing pains or struggles? If there are any?
Many.
Kasi,
alam mo yung mga struggles, yun yung nagiging lessons mo, yung mga setbacks, sabi yung nagiging redirections mo, yung closed doors. So, meron akong selecting your suppliers. Kasi pag dapat align yung values, number one, yung character, yung vision nyo, yung mission nyo. Pero kung puro pera-pera, it will not work. It happens to me twice. So, pero sabi ko, okay, daragang nire-redirect ka, I have a commission na hindi ko nakuha. It's a big amount of money. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin. Tapos sabi ko, pera lang yan. So, lumaki naman ako sa hirap. So, parang sabi ko, ang pera, sabi lagi ng nanay ko sa akin, kikitain yan. Huwag mong ititrade yung character mo. So, I'm more of building my character and values. At the same time, sabi ko nga, lagi mong iisipin, huwag kang lalamang. Naloko ko, I forgive, I move on. So, sabi ko, bahala na si Lord.
Yes.
At pag naloko ko, alam mo, blessings yung kabalik.
Galing. Ang galing ng...
Yun yung
Speak so much about your heart, Marilu.
Yes.
And I agree, kasi nag-business din kami sometime back, before pandemic. And values alignment is really important, more than anything.
Dapat, we always pray na parang, Lord, is this something that you aligned with my service, on my purpose? So, 7 years old then, nagsiserve na ako sa church. I am a lecturer, a choir. Alam mo yun? So, I do Bible study. Philippians 4 verse 13 favorite ko yan. I can do all things. Kaya sabi mo, hindi ka napapagod. Because yung power ni Lord through Christ sa kanya galing. So, we're giving back the glory every day. And by sharing my 3 T's.
Yes.
Time, talents, treasure that time wala pa ako. But I
Okay.
think yung resources ko, ano yung gano'n ko
Right.
mag-share.
Non-monetary treasure.
Non-monetary
Yes.
treasures, yun ako. So sabi ko, I always share. Kung ano yung kaya ko, yung bawat nakakausap ko,
Oo.
dapat nagbibigay buhay, nagbibigay inspiration.
Yes,
Yun
yes.
yun ako. So
Uh-huh.
if I will describe my 2 words, sino si Mariel, a woman of faith and character.
A woman of faith and character.
Yes.
I can see that.
So
Yes.
dapat laging uplifting yung
Oo.
support. Kahit isang
Yeah.
beses mo na nakita, dapat puro positive lang tayo.
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
diba, we declare yung kung ano yung sinasabi mo, yun yung mangyayari.
Mhm.
Yun.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Casa
Filipina,
Yes.
the home of Philippine products.
Maybe can you
Ayan.
tell us more about what's the concept of the store? Ano
Okay.
yung mga products na meron dito na kanina pa ako namamangha?
Yes, okay. So, Casa Filipina, the home of Philippine products. As I've
Yes.
said, marami tayo. We have now 7,400, more than 7,400 islands. So,
Yes.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, we have different craftsmanship.
Oo.
Pag sinabi mong furniture, since I came from furniture, number 1 or 3 words describe Filipinos, innovation.
Yes.
We don't copy, we innovate. For
Oo.
example, sustainability.
Oo.
We are the second world's largest pineapple producer, banana producer, coconut, ube, lahat.
Mm.
So yung mga waste, like
Yes.
leaves, I have a dried banana leaves, I have discarded pineapple leaves, I have coconut leaves, baka kino-convert siya into fabric for furniture, furnishing, and fashion accessories. So yun yung gusto naming ipakita na we're not just when it comes to workforce, pati sa craftsmanship and artisanry, talagang meron tayo. May
And then
market talaga tayo.
You're supporting the zero waste
Yes,
movement.
Plus
Okay.
social enterprises.
Yes.
We are helping the micro, small, medium enterprises. So, there's really a deeper purpose.
Mhm.
We're making an impact. Sabi ko nga, kahit na nandito ako more than 20 years,
Yes.
kahit wala tayo sa Pilipinas, we try to uplift
Mm.
and show the world what Filipino artisanship can offer to
Yeah.
them. So, our original mother of pearl. So, ayan, our mother of pearl, the best pearl in the world. So, it comes with home furnishing. And this one is a clutch. Yayamanin na clutch. So, yeah. So, gawang Pilipinas. As in talaga original mother of pearl siya. Inayos lang nila.
Yeah.
So, again, another community sa mga women's and mga divers ang ating binibigyang na suporta.
What inspired you to bring this Filipino craftsmanship here in Dubai?
Kanina nabanggit ko na I work with a high-end furniture showroom.
Oo.
Kaya lang hindi nasasabi na, oh, this is made from Philippines. So, di ba, lagi tayo nasa parang, ano yun,
Behind
parang
the scenes.
behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, yeah.
So, the mission of Casa Filipina is to showcase, to celebrate Filipino excellence. Number 1, to give honoring and valued and recognize the farmers.
Yes.
Sila talaga yung
Sila yung hands-on
babayaran
eh.
sila yung
Right.
hands-on. The weavers, you know what?
Mm.
More than before Spanish and colony, talagang weavers na tayo.
Yeah,
When it
yeah.
comes to Philippines, yung woven industry, yung mga weaving
Oo,
natin, we master the techniques more than 100 years ago, passed to generation to
Yes,
generation. So yung artisanship natin, yun nga, grabe tayong mga Pilipino, matatalino tayo.
Oo.
Puso at diwa talagang binibigay natin sa every craft.
Matalino,
mapapansin.
creative.
Creative, unique yun nga. Number 1, authenticity.
Yes.
I mean, we are proud that we are the first Filipino showroom or studio showcasing Filipino furnitures and accessories. Kasi marami restaurants,
Yes.
mga creative studios.
Oo.
Kaya sabi ko, you will see it later. Luzon,
Mm.
Visayas, Mindanao, we are representing
Yes.
more than 7,400.
Galing, ang galing. And how do you see that, I know, if not blending, they're really totally uplifting the decorations or the image of the clients na kumukuha ng mga products nila.
Actually, it's more on complementing side.
Complementing,
Kasi yung mga
yeah.
clients namin, medyo high-end naman sila. They don't want yung parang, ay, yung nakikita ko na sa lahat.
Yes.
Actually, since we opened here nung soft opening na April, ang daming mga design managers, directors, mga big brand, big companies nagpunta dito. They find all unique pieces. Kapakita ko sa inyo, nandito lang sa Casa Pilipinas. So sabi, hindi sila makapaniwala, oh really, this is made in Philippines.
Yes,
so now, this is really the time na talaga i-showcase natin, i-celebrate natin yung ating kagalingan. As in, authentic. The word authentic shows and the craftsmanship talaga ng mga Pilipino.
Yes.
This is, they call it rattan chair, swivel chair.
This is rattan.
Yes.
Okay. Oo nga,
So, tingnan mo,
pag hinawakan mo,
pulido,
katan,
diba?
yes.
Ratan siya. So, lahat ang innovation ngayon ng mga chair, lahat swivel.
Swivel, yes.
And then, see, that's the shape. It comes with side table. Ang maganda sa Filipino craftsmanship, they can do customization.
Yeah.
Every
Okay.
product of Casa Filipina has its own story of resilience, creativity, yung mararamdaman mo na talagang binigyan
Yes.
ng may puso at
Mm.
kaluluwa ng bawat Pilipino. As in
Mhm,
talagang they pay attention to details.
Oo.
This is from Noah's Stonecraft. So, made of, from Visayas siya,
Okay.
and then made of mother of pearl. So, Noah's Stonecraft, they produce one of a kind type of stone. Meron tayong Philippine jade stone, may mother of pearl. So this
Mother of
specific
pearl.
mother of pearl, this is specific, we are the best pearl in the world, by the way.
Yeah.
So, kaya sa Palawan, sa Cebu,
Oo.
lahat. So, ito, this is 100-year-old already.
100?
So, 1 century
Okay.
na. So, ang mother of pearl, kapag nag-reach ng 50, nag-golden. So, makikita mo dito, may
kaya
ibang
pala may kulay.
gold, may
Okay,
ibang
okay.
ano. And then, this one, corn symbolizes prosperity.
Mhm.
This is what we call Lazy Susan. So, yung mga
Yes,
Chinese.
yes,
And,
yes.
So, ito, one of a kind with certificate. At the same time, it shows the craftsmanship. Nakita mo yung proseso. Ito yung storyboard. Yan yung mga ginagawa talaga ng mga hands, ng modern handcrafted. Everything are handcrafted naman talaga sa mga Philippine products. Yeah.
Magaling. So, Marlo, sabi mo kanina, naubos yung gratuity,
Yes.
1.5 years.
Naubos din almost
salary.
yung emergency funds,
And
ha?
even the emergency fund.
Hmm.
Pero bakit di ka, so were there thoughts na parang, is this still the right path for me to take? Or may mga doubts na dumadating?
When I started, yes, dumating yon. Pero gusto nga kami ng asawa ko. When I started this, sabi ko, I always believe in this principle. When God give you a vision,
Yeah.
He also gives you the provision. And this is
Uy.
true. Anong kailangan mo? Siya unahin mo. So,
Yes.
lagi mo siyang i-acknowledge. Kasi binabalikan ko kung sino ako dati. Di ba sabi ko, wala akong treasures na money.
Yeah.
Pero nakagraduate ako, nakaka-landed ako sa magandang trabaho.
Oo.
And ngayon pa na I have all the skills. So, ang
Yeah,
kailangan mo lang, dumiretso ka. So, magtiwala ka sa niya. At the same time, you pray for proper divine connection, divine directions.
Yes.
So, lahat. So, yung Casa Pilipina, I'd like to also mention, hindi ito magiging Casa Pilipina without Green. Yung business partner ko. So,
Hi, Green.
I'm a business partner. So, ni Green, so siya lahat to.
How fitting his name, no? Green tapos
Green,
Echo.
tas Echo.
And sustainable.
Yes, yeah.
Right.
So yun, at the same time, alam ko kiniklaim ko na makakuha ko ng project.
Yes,
And
yes.
yung November last year, that was the breakthrough project na winork ko for
Oo.
1.5 years. Hindi ako sumuko.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it.
And
Nice.
I'm just proud to say I got a first 1 million worth of project.
Wow.
So,
Galing.
kung ilang
Praise God.
percent,
Yes,
praise God
yes.
talaga. Sinabi ko yan din with kung ilang percent yung ano ko doon, hindi ko sabihin, pero yun yung breakthrough ko. Sabi ko, sabi ni Lord, okay, maghintay ka lang, bibigay niya. So, ngayon,
Yes,
continuously siya. So, isa sa mga difficulties ko rin, hindi ako accredited ng ibang hotels kasi they are testing. I know you, Marilu, but I don't know your profile, your
Right,
company.
right.
So, it takes you
Kasi
2 years.
you are a new player, right?
Yes.
In a way.
It takes you 2 years para maging, to have accreditation, maging vendor.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, I reached 2 years. I'm celebrating July 28, the 2
Ayun,
years of
1 week
DMJ.
from
Yes,
now.
1 week from now. So, accredited ka na sa Dubai Holdings. Accredited ka na sa malalaking developers na, eto na, nag-plant ka ng seeds.
Yes.
Ngayon, you're sowing what you
Nice. You know what they say
So-
na parang you don't really chase butterflies but you attract them?
Yes.
I think that's what you're doing right? If I can say something like that. You built based on the character, the struggles that you have gone
Values,
through
yeah.
when you were a kid and the values that you have learned. No?
So, yun siguro yun talaga yung more in success is build your character first kasi yun non-negotiable.
Negotiable.
Kasi pag, sabi ko nga, pag may isang bagay ka na hindi aligned, tapos nalalayo ka, syempre meron ka, nagsimula ka na hindi pwedeng baguhin.
Oo.
I think it's not the right time. There's a red flag. Hindi kami nagmamatch. So better, in-stop na rin ni Lord bago lumaki yung, yung transactions or relationship. So, it's a big money, pero in-stop na ni Lord, no, I'm preparing a better doors for you. Ayan, dumating si Green sa buhay ko. We're just like colleagues before, like friends na, kasi vlogger siya.
Okay.
Sabi ko rin, please join me. Hindi kasi kagad siya nag-yes.
Oo.
Until such time na parang nakita niya na, dito pala, ganito pala yung work ethics niya. O,
Mhm.
nag-align kami. Pareho kaming we value yung impact and helping
And
others.
parang ang vibrant ng character niya. Every time I see him, napaka, upbeat, vibrant, yes.
So, vibrant
The
na rin
energy.
ako. Sa energy namin. Yan,
Yes,
yun.
galing, ang galing. Marlo, these days, alam natin na it's challenging days for many businesses, right? I want to understand, how are you thriving during these times?
Actually, isa kami sa mga naapektuhan furniture, yung shipping costs. Nabanggit ko to sa opening remarks ko na kasi yung container umalis ng February 20.
Okay.
So, syempre, nag-sail na siya from Philippines. So, nung nalaman, February 20 it started.
Yes.
Nagbabayad kami ng demurrage, ng storage cost, shipping cost talaga. Na-delay to eh. Supposedly, we're going to open by March or April. So, hindi natuloy. So, ang laki ng binayaran namin sa war risk. So, dumating sa point na, sabi ko kay Green, pinababalik ba yung container kasi? Kasi, otherwise, magbabayad ka $150 per day since March. Dumating ang container May, mag-compute na lang po kayo kung magkano.
Grabe.
Lump sum, we
Yes.
almost spend 120,000 dirhams for the shipping cost just to open Casa Filipina. Binigyan kami option, should we return the container or not? Again, we prayed. And as I've said, sabi namin, diretso tayo. Kasi yung vision natin, alam natin na magtatagumpay tayo. May mga naghihintay na projects eh. Itong mga lahat ng to for projects specification. Sabi namin, diretso lang. God will provide. Sabi ko nga kanina, God always, yes, exactly. Yung 120,000 hindi madaling kitain. Actually, it's our funds. Na-drain yung funds namin. But God is so good. May benta, nakakabayad sa renta, lahat-lahat. So, hindi ganun kadali. Pero nagtiwala. Ano yung vision namin na itutuloy namin kasi this is ito yung pinlano namin. As I've said, when God gives you a vision, He will give you provision. Lagi yung paniwalaan at totoo yan. I'm a testimonial. We are the testimonial of that.
Yes.
God's greatness na talagang yung puso namin pagtulong. And si God na
And I think that's what you've used and hold on to during those times of uncertainty. Kasi diba, you don't know until when that conflict will end.
Actually, until now, di ba yung iba, nagsasara, nakakasad, di ba? Pero kami nag-open. So that's how the resilience, yung vision, yung mission namin to continue what is Casa Filipina.
And that's where you really believe that it's all God's hands.
Yes. Dahil sa Kanya, by His grace, and kami ay stewards lang. So, nakaka-proud and we are truly blessed na dito rin sa Garden Concept na tinulungan na lang kami, medyo nag-adjust ng konti. They give us extra free rent kasi wala pa yung shipping. So, everything follows na.
That's
Kasi
God's
basta
grace
yung
there.
God's grace. Everything follows, basta unahin mo siya.
Marla, I'm just curious, meron ka bang isang product here in your showroom that represents you?
Yes, so ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yes.
Tapos tingnan din natin ng ibang mga products nyo.
Okay, so kung meron isang bagay na nagre-represent din ng kung sino si Marilo, eto, pipiliin ko itong Agos chair.
Agos,
Meaning
okay.
Agos Eliab yung collection. This is from Calfern, from Pampanga. Ayan, sa Pampanga na tayo. Kung makikita nyo, this is made of lampakanay. What is lampakanay? It's a type of seagrass na tumutubo pag sa mga ulan, may baha. So, yung detalye, why, parang liyab kasi, liyab means fire. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat pagsubok natin, hindi tayo sumusuko.
Yes.
So, nandun yung inner, deeper purpose mo na liyab na mag-serve ka to your country, mag-serve ka to showcase what Filipino artisanship. So, ito, hindi siya basta-basta. Kung makikita nyo yung details, may kurba. So, every
Parang
joint,
agos.
yes, agos talaga, dire-diretso. So, yung agos ng buhay, dapat dire-diretso tayo. Flowing, by God's grace, kahit anong pagsubok, dire-diretso. Yan yung culture ng Pilipino, diba? Hindi tayo sumusuko. Masaya pa rin tayo despite and in spite of everything. So, ito yung nagre-represent talaga.
Marlo, di ba maraming misconceptions about the Filipino products? Can you debunk those misconceptions?
Okay, meron dalawang misconceptions. Una-una, ang Filipino products daw mahal.
Mahal, okay.
Mahal compared to other Asian countries. Hindi mahal. Kasi pag makikita mo yung story kung paano ginagawa, we are handcrafted for the world. So, everything are handcrafted. Ibig may proseso.
Right.
Yung paggawa mo ng pineapple leaves, gagawin mo siyang fabric, mahaba yung proseso nun. At mga gumagawa nun, mga weavers, farmers, may mga proseso. Then, yung hand-woven na mga ratan, hindi ganun kadali. So, may proseso siya. So, it takes time, process, at the same time, makikita mo talaga ang mga handcrafted, pag nasira, pwede mong i-repair.
Yeah.
Compared to machine work, mabilis nga, pero pag nasira, tatapon mo na yan.
Ayun. Okay.
Yun ang pinagkaiba. So, hindi siya mahal. Tama lang dahil yung presyo natin, maiko-compare natin, pang world-class quality tayo.
There's a
Sabi ko,
rationale for that. Yes.
So, yung artisanship natin, we are mastered in woven industry, wood crafts, even sa upholstery. So, yung mastery natin, at the same time, talagang pang world-class ang ating mga furniture. Kasi nga, Italian brands, USA brands. May isang brand, mamaya papakita ko, 40 containers a month to US.
Wow.
Kasi, sila ang nagsusupply. So, it means, dinare-represent namin sila direct from the factory.
Yeah. Galing. Marlo, kanina pa ako masarap ang upo dito. Nakasandal nga ako kanina eh. Alam mo, gusto kong itanong sa'yo, no? There are many established brands already, especially here in the UAE, in terms of furniture and of B2B, right? Mm-hmm. How does that play a part in terms of your goal in your endeavors na magpatuloy?
Okay. As I mentioned, the authenticity. Since we are the first Filipino showroom showcasing Filipino excellence in artisanships, so authentic lahat ng products natin. Ang mga clients namin na high-end, ayaw nila yung pare-pareho. So gusto nila may distinction. So pag pumasok sila dito, lahat ng bawat products namin, hindi nila makikita sa iba. So pag napakita namin yung story behind it, the process, alam nila. Actually, lahat ng nasasabi dito, ang mura. Kasi before, I'm selling a chair like 50,000 each. Sofa, 100,000. Nakakabenta ko. Pag makikita mo, it's really a branded, pero gawa sa atin. So, ngayon nagpupunta sa dito, alam nila yung quality. Ito ang aking breakthrough product. So, this is sneakers made of dried, discarded pineapple leaves. So, pineapple leaves. So, di ba ang pineapple leaves is mostly sa clothing? What's so special about this? I'll just pick green because eco. So, this is the breakthrough of Casa Filipina. Last November, we joined the Downtown Design Marketplace. So, it's a high-end in namit ko si Sheka Latifa. At ako ay napili out of 100 applicants to represent sustainable innovation. So, ito yung
for the UAE.
For the UAE. So, representing, I started my talk as a representing Filipino community. And dala-dala ko itong sneakers. Nasuot-suot ko. May red sneakers. Ayan.
Video ko na lang.
Ayan, suot ko siya. So, ito ay represent me. Kasi lakat. Lakat means lakat. This is from Negros, Visayas. Okay. So, di ba, we walk with purpose. Ang buhay natin dito is temporary lang, but you always make sure that every time you do something, it gives a purpose, a deeper purpose, and it gives to, again, a testimonial of what God's greatness in your life. Amen. So, yung itong sapatos na to is not just a sapatos, it speaks of my continuous consistency, authenticity, innovation at the same time, my character na hindi ako sumusuko kahit anong pagsubok.
Galing. So, and your walk, sabi mo
kanina lahat. You walk with
yung
purpose. You walk mo dire-diretso lang. Towards, may mga downfall, problema tayo, but diretso lang. Kasi, pag hindi tayo mag-move on, walang mangyayari. So, sa lahat na nangyari sa buhay ko, since I started 7 years old until now, sapatos. ang mag-describe.
Maganda ng storya ng sapatos.
Yes.
Right. Look at this. Gawa sa pinya. Right. Discarded pineapple leaves. Ang galing.
Alam nila kung gaano kagaling ang mga Pilipino.
And I
so, authenticity, number one. Hindi tayo gaya-gaya. Innovate. So, sustainable innovation, yung design natin, talagang nag-evolve. Evolving from maintaining our cultural heritage, katulad nito, teak wood siya. So, it's a teak wood from Philippines. At the same time, they call it yakap. Di ba pag umupo kaya yakapin ka? Yung culture natin na we are family-oriented. So, yung mga modern design natin na ito, teak wood pero may woven siya. So, nagmi-mix yung elements ng culture and modern. Modern design.
At sinasabi mo nga, may istorya. Bawat product may istorya.
Yun yung pinaka-importante. We are speaking on ano yung background ng product.
Yeah. So, you have furnishings like this. Tapos mayroon din ako dito sa harap ng mga artisans. Ano ba itong mga to?
Ito ay gawa sa Zamboanga. Kaya kanina meron tayo sa Visayas, meron din tayo sa North. Zamboanga, ito ay made of dried banana leaves. We are the second most world's largest dried banana leaves. Ito So, second world's largest ay producer ng banana, pineapple, coconut. So, yung mga waste product, tayo mga Pilipino, masinop tayo Lahat ng waste products na leaves, we convert it into fabric,
Yes.
into something purposeful. So yan, mga accessories to,
Oo.
may keychains, earrings, fashion accessories.
Mm.
Then, yun din yung ginagamit din yung iba for furnishing.
Nice.
Sa frames,
Oo.
sa home decors, like lamps, yan.
Supporting zero waste,
Zero waste,
totally.
and
Yeah.
social enterprise.
Social
Ayun
enterprise.
So, ibig sabihin,
Yeah.
pag social enterprise, people muna. You give livelihood. May mga products kami dito, mga prisoners. Women prisoners ang gumagawa.
Oh, okay.
So, you help them to have a livelihood program.
Yes.
At the same, they weave the bags, they do the crochet, may mga recycled fabric. So, every time bine-mention namin sa mga kliyente, you're helping a community. So, kaya meron sa likod ng tag namin, every purchase in Casa Filipina helps a community.
Yes.
To continue our advocacy. So, we have DMJ na sa B2B and Casa Filipina more in uplifting social enterprises and our micro, small, medium enterprises. Napakadami nila ayon.
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman pwedeng dalhin lahat.
Yes.
Pero alam mo yun, nakakatulong ka sa kanila na, may order na naman si Casa Filipina, may order na naman si DMJ. So, nakakatulong tayo kahit nandito tayo lang, nakakatulong tayo back home.
Galing.
So, ito yung tutulong ko sa isang Filipino entrepreneur na cat rescuer. So, the company is Purfer Call. So, tumutulong kami dahil marami rin mga cat lovers. So, we have dogs. So, meron siya mga keychain, souvenir. Mga Pilipino gumagawa. So, this Casa Filipina is a platform to celebrate also Filipino entrepreneur in Dubai. So, entrepreneurs na pwede sila mag-display. And then, ipakita ang kanilang galing para sumuporta din sa kanilang advocacy.
Meron bang mga unusual request kang natatanggap?
Madami. Number one ng mga unusual request nila is yung bespoke design. Yung meron silang design na kukuhanin, pero gusto nila iba yung measurements, iba yung shape. For example, mga organic shapes ang uso ngayon. Yan, yung salamin.
Yes.
So, hindi na yung normal na oval or something. So, we call it organic shapes.
Irregular yung shapes.
Irregular yung shapes niya. So, sa table, sa sofa, ganon. Ang maganda dahil handcrafted tayo, we accept those bespoke design according to the client budget, client wants yung materials, plus no minimum order quantity. Doon tayo, yun yung pinaka-competitive advantage namin. Kasi yung mga designer, hindi naman yan bultuhan, katulad pag sa China, di ba?
Yes.
Kailangan 100 pieces. Sa ibang yun ang kagandahan natin. Since handcrafted, we are flexible. We can accommodate according to client budget, designs, kahit isang piraso, we will work for it. That's really the positive
that's
side.
nice.
That's the competitive advantage of Filipino handcrafted for the world. Kasi we can do flexibility.
Yeah,
ng
nice. That's
materials.
nice. Yeah. What's your proudest moment since you started?
My proudest moment, number one, is yung ma-meet ko si Sheka Latifa. Yun nga, yung may present ako, yung una ko siyang na-meet through the help of Miss Natasha Carella, yung anak ni Bobby.
Yes, Bobby's daughter.
Tinulungan niya ako doon. We showcase and napili nga ako out of many applicants to present. So, ang una-una ko talaga sinabi, I'm a Filipina. That's why Casa Filipina. So, it represents na proud akong Filipino.
Yes.
And saka ko ipinakita sa kanya yung product na meron tayo. So, this is 51 all-weather outdoor furniture. Ito rin yung pinasent namin kay Sheka Latifa. Ito ay hindi lang siya chair. So, gawa to ng ating artist na si Junet Carpio. It's an outdoor furniture. Ang brand na nire-represent ko before is an outdoor furniture brand. Pero gawa sa Cebu. So, ito naman yung mga weavers nito, mga weavers ng Cebu. At the same time, it connects the two culture. Woven industry plus yung, this means Haraya chair. So, pwede siyang i-customize ng mga local artists dito.
Yeah.
So, now we have a collaboration with some companies already to continue the sustainability yung mga craftsmanship natin.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it's a breakthrough kasi dyan ako nakilala na through my advocacy to bring the Filipino products, napakita ko kay Sheka Latifa at talagang nag-start na yung interviews, yung pag-feature.
Ang galing. I hope you keep doing that. I pray for your success and for, to cover more, not only in the UAE, but maybe outside the UAE even.
Indeed. Meron na.
Ayun na.
We have an expansion coming soon in Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
Yes.
Praise God for that.
Praise God. So,
right. Ang galing. Can you fill the blank? I mean, can you complete this? Because of you, Dubai, blank.
My dream came true. And because of you, Dubai, it's truly a second home. a second home where we flourish, we thrive, and we showcase Filipino excellence. So dati lang akong tindera ng turon, ng halo-halo, ng barbecue. Ngayon, nagtitinda na ako. Entrepreneur, nagtitinda dito sa Dubai,
Yes.
the land of all the beautiful opportunities. At the same time, it's already a home away from home.
Yes.
So,
yeah.
napakadaming opportunities na binigay and we're truly grateful. We stand in UAE.
Thank you, UAE. Yes, from the girl from Novaliches now to becoming supernova.
Supernova.
Yeah, with the help of God all the
course,
time. Yes. Thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you
It's
so
very
much.
encouraging for
Yes.
me. I'm inspired not to hear your story lang, kundi makita rin yung resulta, yung mga products na mga sinashowcase nyo dito.
And thank you so much, Ayon. I mean, si Ayon, isa sa mga, nakausap ko
Oh,
siya
you're welcome.
matagal na we always, yung mga taong katulad niya na naririnig yung mga story natin.
Yeah.
It's really, I mean, I'm praying also for more blessing and
Thank
for
you.
touching lives.
Thank
para,
you.
alam mo, maririnig tayo para makapag-inspire. Yun naman talaga tayo. We always try to inspire
Exactly.
others.
Yes.
Uplift each other. At the same time, may mga journey tayo na
Hmm.
maraming kakapulutan.
Exactly.
So, thank you for continuing that. It's an advocacy. It's a
Yes.
noble act and work. So,
Yeah, kasi I believe that our stories are really worth sharing. You know,
Yes.
it happens to us. God had His testimony sa buhay natin para ma-share sa iba.
yes. And may
Yes.
God bless you abundantly.
And same
then,
to you.
same with your family. So, yeah.
Thank you guys.
Maraming salamat.
Bye.
God bless
God bless.
everyone.